We have seen in the previous verses the hypocrisy of the hearts of Bani Israel and their excuses for not believing in Islam and Prophet Muhammad. In this verse too, Allah consoles Prophet Muhammad that today they are refusing to accept Prophet Muhammad as a prophet. In fact, this attitude has been there in their ancestors as well. Hazrat Musa, who came with many clear signs from Allah, like his stick turning into a snake, the sea being divided into two parts, the descent of manna and salwa, the shadow of the clouds, the rivers coming out of the stone. Apart from this, the punishment of locusts, frogs, blood and lice due to the curse of Musa alayhi salam. Despite seeing all these miracles and guidance, when Hazrat Musa went to Mount Sinai, these Bani Israel turned away from true worship and started worshipping a golden calf. The purpose of telling this to the Jews of Medina is clear, that always their history is to turn away from the truth and reject the words of the prophets. The Jews living in Medina never accepted this mistake of their ancestors as a mistake, so they were called oppressors who oppressed themselves. Life lesson: oppression themselves means that a person does injustice to himself. He himself becomes the cause of his religious and worldly loss. If he knows that he is doing wrong, but he does not turn to the right path, that's why he is deliberately causing harm to himself. This is just like a doctor has forbidden to eat a food for the treatment of a disease, but if the patient does not stop eating that food even though he knows that this food is harmful for him, then such a situation, he is committing oppress themselves. So Allah has repeatedly said in the Qur'an, Allah did not oppress them, but they themselves oppressed themselves.